What is up, guys? Jamaica Rest Gamer here again for another episode of City Patrol. So today we're there with Aaron and Agseed. So before anything, make we get into the shout outs. So in the bounty episode, Mr. Tono said the first 5 person get the answer right, get a shout out. So the first 5 person was Simply Jaden, big up yourself, you get it right first. The next person was Arlene Belto, you get it right as well. Next person was Daniel Nesbet, you get it right as well, big up yourself. Malik Edley, big up yourself, G, you get it right as well. That person, yeah, you need to change your name, dog. To me, I hope you're not a man, but it, Astonishing Sean. The astonishing part doesn't sound good, brother.
Oh, no.
Let me know in the comment section if you're a man, dog. That doesn't sound too right. The astonishing sound a bit womanish. So change that. You understand? There were some other people in the comment section get it right. Big up on yourself if you want to get it right as well. There's too much people in the comment section get it right. We shout out everybody. So we can't do that. So guys, today we are troll. We are troll people. So as you can see, I have the ramp buggy. I think Agseed have him jet. Agseed, you have a jet here, man?
Oh, some road in the bed.
Jet down.
Him jet brought down?
Yes, he tried testing him first with that thing on me from.
Yeah, I tried to roast Aaron head like a bread float and it never work out.
So you brought on the jet and we never start showing nobody yet, dog. We're gonna need the jet for air support, man. Alright, so people, make sure you like the video if you like the video. To support me, please subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. And also click the like button on the video. It really helps us. And also, guys, as a lot of you guys may notice, we now got monetized, so there's adverts on the video. So if you can watch the advert, if I have 10 seconds,
watch them like them are rice and pepper. Watch them, man. Watch
if I have 10 seconds out of the advert,
watch them, man. Even if it's 2 hours, watch it.
No, man. If I have 10 seconds, watch.
2 hours.
Agseed, you have a bounty on you. Who said bounty on you? Aaron said bounty on him.
This one here, you work for the Babylon.
Alright, so the carrier, as you can see, look at it though. It sent car flying. So hopefully we can send some little idiot flying today. I don't know. City patrol, we run the city. So the first person may go off one boy over here, so because him kill me before the thing start. Let me switch part him there, because I can't if him on the roof. If him on the roof, I'm gonna try to snipe him and fight, you know. Because him kids in there. Where him there? I'm in one van. Him in a van? Where him there? I can't see him. I can see the van, but I can't see him.
Will he be from Mac?
Oh, see my duck down? Hey boy, what you look for? One in your neck! Hold that! One in your neck! One in your dirty neck! Huh! My lip me down! One in your neck, what you do there, sir? Lie down, you know from when you kill me? You blow up my car a while ago, I love you. Hey, alien! Alien boy! Alien, uch! Trap! Oh, the shot! Quick! Alien! Quick!
You're dead!
One of them my youth! Wanna not come back me up, brother?
You're so rich, no man.
So rich, just killed me a while ago. So rich. Man, I'm just so... Rampage has been destroyed. Oh, man. Them destroy my thing, dog.
Oh, but
so, guys, them just mash me up. Alright, shit! Oh! Man, shoot after me.
Come on.
Me just kill a fool, you know.
Huh?
See you now, person.
Watch it.
Wait! Come again, get up. Punk. We are shoot after. Go one side with that. Big idiot. Yeah. Well, some of that. That your forget. When there? That your forget. Land up, person. Watch him now, boy, my snipe. A fool. Land, man.
Airplane, blow.
What you think I got, dog? Man, I'm gonna blow you to that, man.
Let me get away, but with this rub it in them face and then.
Put up boy there. Don't get send there.
Up there.
I'm there.
And can't get me now. Up there. Come up on the road. Come back here, person.
What boy there? Are you tonight green? Me I go find a brother. You like him, you know? You like that boy, man. Wait, I'm gonna find radar. No, I'm up on the radar.
No, he's down here. Probably waiting for his vehicle.
Make him get in it now. That more want him do.
No.
See him, yeah? See him, yeah? You see him? Ah! Where's my oppressor there? Bet him blow it up. Right there. Oh, in the blow it up. In the blow it up. In the blow it up. Me need it, come in, forget for me. Oh God, him a coming. Down the road, him down the road. Him a high end attack for me now. You kill him again?
Almost trying to, but he's trying to shoot me. Oh yeah.
Yo, actually, that's the last man always for join the war. I don't know why. I don't know what happened.
Let's show you.
I don't know what
Oh,
happened.
I'm killing me.
Where him there?
Key.
Oh, I see him.
Still running down the road.
Oh, that kid slipped me down a while ago. That's not right.
And he blew up my oppressor.
Oh God, he never blew up my one, so me alright. Here I go. I got off the radar. I got off the radar for him.
Jump like that. Jump it down.
No. No.
Him snipe me. Him snipe me.
I'm not. Me dead back outside.
I didn't blow up my oppressor too.
How?
Aaron, watch out, him a come. You kill that while ago?
What? Flip it. Ah.
Yeah, I'm gonna send up for something.
Hold that! Big and 4-4 from you, I got school. Police, easy. Thank God me have enough. Police, easy, man. Oh, God, I did so much time, man. Man, go back from ramp muggy, though. God, no. One ramp muggy.
The gun. I need to get my vehicle.
Need a car. Forget away from the warrior. Do I need a ramp buggy? No, I need a ramp buggy. I know exactly what I need.
Go get the money. Go get the money. Yo.
Go get the money. Go get the money. What? Go get the money. What? Trouble.
Alright.
Alright, let me carry this. Let me carry now. Alright, ready now. I'm ready now. Never ready before, now I'm ready. And Freddy.
Oh, press blow him
Watch it, you. Ready. So people, please don't forget. People may have a quick go over this. May have a next regular another episode of now. So me soon give it to now. Keep watching, keep listening out feet when I will get the regular. Like I said, the first 5 people to shout to get the answer right, get the shout out. You understand? So make sure someone get the answer right. What are you doing this, man? Okay! The boy get up pressure, brother. Him have a pressure now.
Oh, yeah. You had that pressure some time.
Yeah, but him have it now. Him depend it now.
Yeah, finally. Yo, what's wrong with this mechanic, man? I don't pay you every day for you not to deliver my vehicle, boss.
So basically, him shoot me with 4 rockets already. 5. I count them now. 6. 6. Let's run up, man. 7. 8. 9. 10. Them I run up, man.
I'm dead.
I will kill him. He kill himself.
Kill himself. Where?
10. These are the best vehicle for oppressor rocket, yeah? Run with it. 10 rocket him give me. Watch out. 10 rocket. I'm barely a scratch. Big idiot. You better come back for your press and shoot at the next 10 rocket where you have. Got 20 rocket to get.
Light him up.
Big jackass. Where him there? Watch me at him now.
Details.
When there? See me? Oh boy, kill me.
Look at this big batty girl. Bruv.
What's the wine pan you?
Nah, she ain't doing stretches. Marked her boxer and a chicken tea for money.
But I think for money.
Yeah,
You're
skip.
Why you gotta do it like that?
Yeah, money, man.
Pull it out. Ring round.
Yes.
Gone half of the radar upon the little idiot. You want to see my look for me?
Yeah. Yeah, pull up on him.
You looking for me?
Let him look. Let him look. And pull out the shotgun in his face.
Watch me on him now. Why am I going this now? Boy, kill me again, even though I'm after radar.
That police were playing, fam.
How the police am helping?
I'm about to lick him with my pressure and what to just drop dead.
Yo, I'm a car there. It's like, one go for my car, but me not trust him because I know him probably put something on my car.
I'm dead anyway.
Oh yeah, once him dead, it gone though.
Where's this other you?
We shot him friend them there. Where did I back him up earlier on? Where them there?
Over here.
Where Axie though? I can't say Axie. Why are they Axie?
Yeah, forward you.
You know from when you say you're forward? Alright, you good? Me see this over there. You good?
Jeez. That your vehicle, that?
Who that?
Why would you do that?
Axie, no, make yourself known when you're coming a war. I never know say you. Sorry.
You don't scare me.
No, but I mean make yourself known that. After somebody.
So forward, I'm forward. What I'm doing?
As you said that 10 minutes ago, and you still never forward in time.
Listen,
Yo, who you after? The
Well,
brothers
after
up
that-
here.
Yeah, he might run now, he might run. Alright. Me I go after him.
On them up.
Me I go after him. War we not actually.
You're Richard.
I think he's trying to get to the arcade. I don't know
people-
why.
Richard.
People, the next wriggle is.
Yes, Richard.
The next wriggle is.
Bring me up,
How can a man go to. Oh!
Alright.
How can a man not go down there, sir? How me jump off of this, sir? How the hell me jump off of down there, sir, brother? Next wriggle is. The next wriggle is. How can a man go 28 days without sleeping? That's the next wriggle. How can a man go 28 days without sleeping?
Get the oats.
Answer that. Answer that and leave it in the comment section there for me. The first 5 people get it, get the shout out, yeah? That's
Can a man
usual.
get 20 days without shooting?
What them there?
Alright, next victim. Orange up yourself. Orange up yourself.
I need to get my person back.
See now? Where him there?
Lock off.
Him stop, him pass the rotted. Where you pass for? Where you pass for? Where you pass for? Where you pass for?
Come back.
Where you pass for?
Put a leash on your neck.
You pass, you go dead. Hey boy, come here. Police, watch it, man.
You go
Not your.
straight to
Oh!
Do not click.
Oh, land it. Good guy. Good guy. That boy, I run from me, you know. I'm there.
Is he actually ready enough? Well?
Yo, him a cut, brother.
Yeah, let him cut.
Him crash, you bugger, yo. Hold them here. Hold them here. I have something for you. Hold that. Hold that. Come on, hey boy. Watch it.
Dash him, man.
Watch it. Yes, crash again. Whole gunshot. Blew up. Them dead.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God. Them dead.
Yeah, hold on. We
Yo, lucky. There's a run over. Who else upon
This
the map?
boy destroyed my vehicle again.
The person there, so. The person up there, so.
Oh,
He's running.
this.
He's running. The person here run, dog.
But I get him. No, man.
Like this one, though.
Alright.
Nice. What's this better
Yeah.
up here? Can we kill him?
Yeah, man. See him there?
I'm just calling for my pressure back.
Yeah, man, do your thing, man. Come on, run, you know. Hey, boy, better run out of town. Lego.
Oh, you got a gun on this?
Yeah, I bought this thing night shark, man. You know, night shark, man. I bought it a long time when I use it.
Oh, it's got the gun bit in there.
Yeah, man, a long time when I use it, man. I'm come out time careful. But you see them blow up. Hey, boy.
I dropped me off at my arcade.
Hold on. Let me blow him up first. Set the waypoint. Let me drop you off at the arcade. Set the waypoint.
Just down there. On the right.
Me see.
Yo, one boy coming out one tank. Yo, spin it.
Yeah,
Tanker come?
Stop.
Tanker come?
Here.
Bliss.
Where's the tanker come, brother?
You think so? What minute?
I'm down inside.
Oh,
If tank come, my tanker roll out. That me know.
What? Tank?
Me have tank, brother.
Yeah.
You think loud enough, daddy? Me have tank, man. Oppressor there. Oh God, oppressor there. Him again. 1, 2.
You want one? Where do 3?
Can't see me now.
Man, still I count them.
What you mean? Because brother, at 20 rocket, this can take in that. You miss me, boy. And you shoot one and you shoot one at that too. All right. 20 rocket, this can take in a boy, and at 20 that have you know, and 1 missing now. So at 19 you have left. You got dead.
Man, really counted everything.
They're trying to run out. Watch him gone. Where you gone? Lick him down. Move! I'm gonna miss him. Ah! Boy, run out and oh God, him shoot me. He killed me.
Yeah. Your character
Yo, boy, run out
have one drink and drop dead.
Where's the Shankos?
Your character ever have one drink and drop dead.
Who that?
My character. Have one drink and drop dead.
Your character? Oh, you drink for an hour, my youth.
Need to clear the mind and that. Too much water going on.
Watch it now. Wait for him to come back again.
Give me that.
I'm happy. One second.
Yo, the oppressor up on the pro in the dark, so careful now. I wonder if he put no bump on my oppressor. I'm not trust him now. Let me check my oppressor first. No, not oppressor, not about oppressor. I'm night shark. Not about that. He might come. Quick, go in there, man. Me stuck! Huh? Guess what? The boy not have no more rocket, so he can't kill no more body with him oppressor. Me tell you, done him.
Nah, rocket, stop it.
Boy, kill me again, dog. Yo, the boy run out a rocket in the dog. So he have no rocket on him oppressor. So what him do? Him fly and land, and then him shoot you. I'm gonna break the red light, sir.
Like you pay attention to red light yourself. Like you pay attention to red light yourself.
No, but enough run red light. Am I city? Me can do it.
Sorry, Mr. Mayor.
I'm not the mayor, man. Me and Bunty kill the mayor. I don't trust him, you know. I don't trust that boy there. Why me not trust him? I don't know, but me not trust him. Because if I me know, send me a put thing pan it. I hear that come? Oh, how that? Actually, the power pressor. Over there. Oh, what that, man?
Why drive, man?
We can't drive.
I can't drive. That thing there. Man, you idiot.
Brother, this a carrier take 20 rocket, dog.
What?
I don't blow up. Yeah?
I'm with the car in it.
You can stay there. But we cannot carry that you drive. We don't know how long you. Huh?
It's too bright and out about it.
Alright, now can I carry that in my you?
Exactly, you see? Let's see everything they say to him.
Half a rocket that in the dark.
One rocket that.
Half a rocket that, man.
What RPG and him done? Because he having gun. Yeah, because he having gun panina.
That carrier have got gun pan it?
Yeah, gun panina.
Really?
Take it for your test, right?
Yo, can't you see me here? Listen, you're dead now, yeah? But damn civilian.
Mash him up with Aaron.
Bro, you need to learn how to drive, man.
Yo, see me, look out for me. I'm there.
Oh, thank you, man.
Yo,
Oh! One kill me! One of them help me!
Yo, me there, man.
you're dead now, man. Bullet! Cheese! Let's go!
Oh,
you know
God. People, if you enjoy the episodes, please leave a like on the videos,
Yo,
not just this one,
already.
but all of them. Spam the like button, just spam the like button, spam the like button. Don't stop spamming
Don't
the
like
like
it,
button.
though.
Share the like button.
Lucky.
Share the like button. Share it.
Bulletproof.
Hey boy, my chance to kill you. How I miss you? How I miss you? Alright, circling back. Time I look.
Right done.
Me have the chance for lick him down. Oh! Alright, you win that one there.
Lick it down, boy.
You win that one there. Back up on roof.
Lick off your head top. Oh, yeah, let's start your rocket now.
In my face. Got him!
Okay.
Oh, I missed! I killed it!
Lick him down.
Yo, we can't
this guy
you tell that. We can't
Bro,
tell
but
you
this guy,
tell
how much health has this brother got from? I ran him over 3 times.
Man, I'm not gonna say my act, I'm gonna know.
What the?
Who got him there?
Dead.
So guys,
Oh,
also,
please,
I have a surprise food. Oh god, this one you told me to kill. Ha! This one you told me to kill. I don't know. We didn't kill him now. Ah!
You're dead!
Kill yourself.
No, I'm not
Well,
kill
you
myself.
almost-
It nearly killed me, but you're killing for me. You saved my life, alright.
Yo, no, what's up, brother? See me there, after, you know?
Huh?
Okay enough.
There, best side, look up.
That you there? I 3 times we kill him.
I don't know why you're-
Police! Police!
I have to do that.
What the fuck? Back all,
Yes,
the whole of them back up. Back up.
This way police
Back
go a
up.
while ago?
Bro, yeah,
Police
bro.
are turn.
Then go like them run the city. We run
Oh
the city.
god, the boy I
Yeah,
come.
man.
Boy I come
Let's
again
take
now.
back.
Boy I come again now.
Let's
Boy I
take
come
back.
again. Boy I come again. Green man I
Hey,
come
boy.
again.
Come.
You either with us or against us.
Go
I
and
get bunged like something like
Go and shot
green.
him. Yes, me kill him. Yes, me kill him. Yeah, me kill him, man.
Yo, back up, police.
RPG in body again. RPG in body again. Oh, body gone. Body gone.
Everybody gone?
We know rock
Yeah.
with police.
Body gone.
They down the road, round the corner.
See, let me see, man.
Yeah, there you Jenna.
Oh, player.
Dead. Yes, pay me my money.
Yes! Me pepper him again. Me pepper him skin again. Police, love me no, man. See me out here kill man for free, man. Police, I want you, man. Left me no, man.
You see a black man, you say, yes.
Yeah, ready to put foot in the neck. Love me, man.
Yo, I just said so on us.
Boy, scope me, dog. Police, the mother come with the foolishness, brother. Me knock you out with my fist in the youth. Mother come with the foolishness, dog. Come on, me do nothing. Me a good youth right now. Who in there?
The boy still scoping up.
Yeah, man, scope after me. Boy, scope after me, dog. See that? Man, scope me. He must scope me.
King go on, man.
Hide him. Alright.
Man, you're dead, man. Why you here with your scope?
RPG fiend body. Watch out.
Alright, I'm going ghost.
Run.
I'm going ghost. One shot! Yo, where you go?
Yeah, you take my kill.
Baby, you want to see that kill there?
No, bullets are sent up on you.
Where him there? See me?
More bullets for him.
Boss! Lick him down!
You know, happy, bro.
Where the boy?
Where did
Show
his
yourself.
friend that from? Where did his friend that from?
Show yourself again,
Friend
boy.
that back. Nothing.
Where him there? Show yourself again,
Right
boy.
down there, sir.
See me over here, sir? Huh, quick.
There's some
Two
pull up
wheel.
on him.
Open at this.
I have to go over there.
See him over there, sir? See him there?
Is he a Pavel?
Pull up.
See him there?
Oh, he's come home.
He's out.
Get out of here.
And I see for all the kills.
Yes! That you forget.
His friends level 349.
Ramp with the JWG Nation and so happened to your boy. You're dead.
This one.
Remember
Bullet.
in there?
Bullet.
Boy, see me now.
Move your fat self out of the pavement.
Kill him again. Me kill him again. Be a scope him again. Be a scope and a dirty king. Boy, go beard. Nastiness. Old Janko. But like, yo, me half a radar now, so me half a radar now, so I look up on can't see me from me there now. So right now, I give it to him raw like chicken in a Kentucky. Him there, see him now? See him there, see him there, see him there, sir. Gunshot! Quick, come there, sir.
Have up, we have cars now. Have up.
Stop. Man can't lick him down. Ah, stop lick him down, Ara. Oh. Let me see you, Ara. Boy, I kill him now. I try to kill him before I kill him.
I'm dead. The damn car flip over.
Boy, I try to take a car a while ago.
He can't take it anyway.
Him try.
He can try it all he wants.
Oh, boy, gone. I can't see him. Police don't allow me no man. I'm going to go sit on one side, man. I want two no man.
Huh? But we could kill the police too. Now the police don't have guns. We have guns too.
Oh, you walk like Robocop, so boy. You Robocop. Let me get one out of this. Yeah, Robocop. Boy, man. You want some too? Eh? Uno I kill people. Me I kill uno. Me have gun too. Me not afraid of uno. They kill me to rotting.
Oh, it's going down there.
I'll top you in top now.
Yo, give me them yellow carrier. Quick, give me out of this. Give me no chat too. Bad, come out of this. Over carry this. I can't hear one. I must say man carry this. So make sure you leave a like on the video. And please guys, the first 5 person who get the wriggle right. The wriggle was, how can a man go 29 days? 29 days me say? 28 days without sleeping. 28 days without sleeping. Yes. How can a man go 28 days without sleeping?
Oh, who pressure this?
Police, what am I doing?
Yo! Was that necessary now, yo?
How I'm killer?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me go thief back my car. The police will just take you a while ago. Jump in, thank you. Let me do
Yo, give me back my car, man.
Come. They back by my way, I go back over to the guys them now. Hopefully we can get there in one piece. But on the way over there, one person over here so. Where the person is? Now gun shop? Alright. Alright, one man in one gun shop. I don't know if we can kill him.
Alright.
Alright. Come here, go do. Now go shut. Ha! How this? Where 200 comes from my youth? Where the man? Where they let me down for my youth? Where the man? Don't go in there. I try to shut it down.
Yeah.
Make him come out now. Watch out, how do that?
Oh, yo, police. Move yourself, man. You're a damn extra. You don't want to kill a black man.
Where the man? Them dead? Where they gun shop? John, no dog.
Watch out, in the way of that area.
Too much nastiness, man. Dead.
Better, them take me carry again. Spawner man,
Yes, man. What you man doing? Where the back up, man?
Wait no man. Spawner man. Alright, me get it. Me have it now. My one man. Come on, go up. Quick. Jump in now, brother. Jump in and stop me, man, yo. Alright, wait there. I can pick you up.
Me dead.
Yeah, where should you spawn now?
Oh boy, watch out!
Oh boy, you start beat, you can't finish.
I'm gonna jump off of this.
No, go for the boy.
Start
wait there. Hold on, I'm gonna pick up Aaron first, man.
Hold on, no. This car for the oppressor. Oppressor coming.
Where am the Chevron? Eh?
Turn right.
Look at boy in one of them things.
If you could try and miss out the palm tree, then I'll be good.
You chat too much. Don't try miss out palm tree. This is hard to drive. Me see man, this is hard to drive.
Do them boy differently, you know. You can't do that now. Violation in the school.
So guys, please make sure you leave a like on the video, leave a comment and subscribe if you're new around the area. We really appreciate the love and the support. I thank you. What boy there? I'm gonna shop.
Leave in there, sir.
Alright, yes sir.
Carry my thing about ram it in there.
Bullet!
Come outside, boy.
No, but chaos.
Come outside, boy. Where there?
Blow
I
him
think
up.
that, you know. I think carry that you're depending on.
Yeah, what are you man doing? There's no one in there.
Park up on it.
You can't blow up now, man.
What?
You can't blow up that. Where him there? Am I come outside?
Yo, there's no one in there, fam.
You see, man.
Hey, buff it. You're not expecting him. Bust him up.
Hey, man, you're not expecting to see a big dirty tank front of you. Hey, boy!
Come on.
Poof.
Watch it!
Man. Chicken stew that.
Where him there? You're not dead yet?
You're running out. You're running over.
Yeah, man.
Squishy.
Hey, boy.
What's that? You see that live now?
Hey, boy.
Yo, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm definitely dead.
Oh, you're not dead yet. Oh, you're not dead yet. Oh, you're not dead yet. Show yourself again. Know yourself. Watch it, Kappa. You know what bad man thing already. Know yourself.
We have guns too. If it's war, it's war. Police dying.
Roaster.
Oh! No!
Alright, I want you.
Yo! Fam,
Yo,
imagine
the
how I
tank a
just
beep,
died.
brother. The tank a beep. You know, the good
Imagine how I
tank.
just died. The
tank a beep, brother.
Chop me up with the propeller, man.
What that? The helicopter?
Yeah!
That's rich.
It's Rick.
Yo, may I hear this beeping thing now? I want to your jam tank, brother.
The
Shut
tank.
up,
The tank can't
man.
the brother.
Yes, sir. Repair.
Police, when you watch it, no, man. No care when it just speed ya. Oh, no care when it just speed ya. Oh, no care. Oh, no care when it just speed ya.
Hold that.
Oh, no care when it just speed ya. Watch it, but I said roadblock. Watch it.
Chill. See body a fly.
Oh, Tada. No man has.
Yeah, bright thing.
Bright, them bright. Tank a smoking a dog.
Trust me, no matter time, we got kaboom.
Tank done, you know?
Alright.
Over here, sir.
We ain't got things.
Over there, man. Where you stuck for? Over there.
Yo, deal with the chopper there.
Don't call me driver. Me no name driver. Ha!
Watch out!
Your favorite idiot.
With the fire!
You get this right. Oh, in there. Oh, you can't see Papaya. When there? Oh, me see you done this oxide. Yo, oh, you drop some oxide. I want you.
Let me cut down fire and police and shoot them back. Wicked. Innocent youth, you know. I'm try to run.
No. Me drop right and lick my kiss her.
Really?
Oh.
Watch out. Yo, watch out if you can. Yo!
And I watch out for knock your dad. Me a stand dada in Migley Road. Police, more your gun. Officer, more your gun. Officer, more me like your gun. Can I get your gun?
Straight traffic, sir. What them there?
No bother with that.
That is more stupid than an invincible traffic light.
So guys, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bash up, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting, guys. If you like the video, please make sure you like the video. Also, take a look at these other episodes that's gonna be on the end screen. I see the dance. Oh, yeah, what gonna wear so?
Fireworks.
So, guys, the wriggle is oh, I'm on fire. Oh, the wriggle is how can a man go 28 days without sleeping? The first 5 person who answer it get a shout out. So guys, also when I reach certain milestone, I go do some giveaways. Probably if you're at Jamaica, you might get a nice iPhone. You never know, or a PlayStation or a Xbox, depends. So when I reach some good milestone like 10k and 20k subscribers, you will get some shout out and some gift card or credit if you're at Jamaica. So until next time, guys, we will see you in the next video, people.
Watch out now. Fly out.
Peace.